It's 9 o'clock. It's 2 minutes past 4. Fantastic! Hi, I'm Chirpy. Let's learn to tell the time together. It'll be fun. Turn the clock hands. It's 13 minutes past. It's 29 minutes past 4. You're so sweet. It's 1 minute past 9. It's 1 minute past 9. Fantastic! Let's play a fun matching game. Watch the screen and turn the clock hands to match the time. 5:30. 29 minutes to 5. Try again. Turn the clock hands to match the time. 5:30. 27. It's 2 minutes past 9. It's 25. It's 27 minutes. It's 29 minutes to 6. It's 29. It's 28 minutes to 6. It's 5:30. Let's do something fun. Chirpy is drawing. What time could it be? Try again. It's 11 o'clock.